Hello and welcome back. This is Lawrence, and let's talk about our trade today on BNTX. So, as most of you probably saw, the market today was pretty red. Gap down off the open is similar to what BNTX did today, but what's nice about this is that it's gapping below support areas. So we see that even on last Friday, it bounced around this area. We have multiple lines drawn at other bouncing areas around here. And we have a good room down to the 172 area where the next set of support would be, or at least I have identified. We're going to compare it to the QQQ because NASDAQ is where BNTX trades on. So QQQ gaps below all the greenness on Friday and opens up around the 374 area with a good amount of room where the line we drew last time, which is around the 369.85 area, 370, which looks like near the low of where it got to today. So we'll go back to BNTX and drill down to the 1 minute off the open, and we will turn on the settings to see my trades. So off the open, it gets below all this pre-market junk and starts setting up a bearish triangle here. It triggers me in right below this break, which was around 179.20. Pops back up, takes me out. In my plan, I'm allowed to re-enter if it doesn't take out the high of day. So it triggers me back in again, takes me out yet again, and then afterwards the third entry would have worked and ran all the way down. Would hit target and then some, but I stand by the trade. It fell within my plan and it had a good pattern. And relative to the NASDAQ off the open, it was actually weaker when it decided to break. As you can see here, when it started rallying back up is when BNTX started to break down. So unfortunately, this fall the QQQ is a little bit too much, despite respecting all of the lines we drew today. So pretty much NASDAQ bounced off where we expected it to bounce, and then BNTX touched that line back up a few times. Despite this trade would have worked, it's just right place, wrong time, unfortunately. So nothing more we can do about that. I think we ended up dropping, what, 90, 94, 47, so pretty much 95 bucks today in this trade. No big deal, it happens to the best of us. We'll get them next time. Thank you for watching. Drop a like if you like what you saw. See you next time.